you guys like trucks, I may have popped up in your recommendation. I may have popped a pigeon. I am almost at 1 million subscribers.
Why is Raw Beauty Christy being so wild right now? I can't help it. She's killing me. My makeup is a freaking hot mess right now at the moment, guys. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I decided I felt like filming. So it is what it is. This is what you guys get. Hello all you beauty people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below we are going over BoxyCharm base box from the month of August. This is the last box though in my subscription unboxing, so you know what that means. This is the giveaway video. Well, I will show you guys everything at the end, what you can enter into this giveaway to win. So don't forget to go ahead and read the description box down below on how to enter, but I'll go over all of it at the very end. So this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. I appreciate it. I do videos 2 to 3 times a week. They are beauty, lifestyle, makeup, all that type of jazz. So I appreciate you guys go ahead and stopping by. But if you have been here before, I love you guys. Why? Because we finally hit over 500 subscribers. Womp, womp, womp. And you guys are so amazing for doing that for me. I cannot believe it. So obviously at some point, if it wasn't before this video or maybe it's after this video, I will be putting up that 500 subscriber giveaway. So again, this video is a giveaway. That video is a giveaway. You're not going to want to miss it because you're going to want to go ahead and enter into it. Obviously, this giveaway is just for US only. I apologize. But my 500 subscriber video is definitely open for international and anyone and everyone. Just make sure you read the terms and guidelines down below for the description for the giveaway terms for this one and for that one. Duh. Anyways, so let's just go ahead and get into this video so you know the gist. If you... Why did I just forget my own outro? You know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, so I basically almost just messed up that outro because I'm an adult. I'm a little bit tipsy right now at the moment because I've had 2 shots of tequila and there's 2.5 shots of tequila in this margarita. So it is what it is. But you know what? I'm home. I'm being safe. I'm not driving. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just here. And I decided I wanted to film because I wanted to film this video and also my 500 subscriber video, which again, I don't know if that's going up before this or after this. I don't know, but it is what it is. We're just gonna go ahead and dive into this. So this is the $25 base box by BoxyCharm. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a subscription makeup box where you can get, or beauty box, I guess, where you can get skincare and makeup. You get 5 full-size products for $25. So you're paying an average of $5 plus obviously shipping and handling for these full-size products. Now, these full-size products can be anywhere between just indie brands or well-known prestige brands. This is like so amazing, obviously, to start off with if you've ever wanted to get into skincare or makeup, because obviously there's a quiz that you can take, all that type of jazz. But obviously BoxyCharm has 2 other tiers that are in it. You also have BoxyCharm Premium, and you also have Boxy Luxe. Boxy Luxe will replace your base box every 3 months, or kind of like a quarterly type of thing, to where that will be like a $50 box and you get 8 full-size products. Or you can also opt into getting yourself onto the wait list for Boxy Premium if you want to do that, and you can cancel your base box and go on to the $35 box. If you don't know what Boxy Premium is, I will leave that in the description down below for you to check out my previous video for that. But obviously I have a complete like playlist. I think I do. I think I have a playlist. If not, you can obviously check out my previous content because it will be right before this one, since this is the giveaway video. Anyways, well, let's just go ahead and see what we got. I have not peeked into this box yet. It's been sitting on my counter. I actually got this 2 days after I got my Boxy Premium. So I got my Boxy Premium first, then I got my Ipsy Glam Bag X, which you're going to want to check out those 2 videos because obviously it's great content. But this is the last box. This one came 2 days later. So it's 5 full-size products, and this is the... I should probably shut my door because you can hear the TV in the living room going off. So my dog's over there, so I kind of have him closed off from us. But anyways, there's 5 full-size products. This is what the card looks like. There is a theme. It says go all out. I kind of like guess that when they say go all out, because it's like the last month of where technically it's travel time. It is, well, I guess you can travel all year, but it's the last time for like vacation time during the summer. So I'm guessing that. But also at the bottom it says save the date. So obviously we're in August, but a month from now, which is September 13th, they'll be opening up the Boxy Choice. I don't understand that. Oh, for October's Boxy Choice, which is really, really weird. But you can also get up to 70% off in add-ons. Why do they tell you? My Boxy Premium did not say that at the bottom of the card. Really weird. Anyways, let's just dive into this. So the first item right on top is going to be a palette. So this is the palette that we have right here. This is the Ditto or Dido Venus Palette Limited Edition. This is a 12 shade palette. It says float to the stars with this limited edition palette. It represents a planet Venus with 12 shades that embody glittering gold to warm neutral brown colors. The opaque high pigment satin soft formula provides an adhesive for multiple beautiful shades ranging from matte, shimmer, creamy, ultra shine glitter, and shimmer with sparkle to create a glam look. This is $29.99. So this is what it looks like if you open it right up, because it's what was sitting on top in the bubble wrap. This is what the palette looks like. So it is very neutral, as you can tell. There's a lot of neutral shades in it, but there's very unique shades, like this one right here and the center one. So obviously it says it represents Venus, but they kind of look like this could be like a crater of some type of sort, where it's like a mixture of different colors. It says that that shade is actually called Mars, and then this one shade appears called Venus. Then you have Moon, Mercury, Earth, Io, Kaleidos, and then Europa, and then Deimos. So Deimos is that one, I'm guessing. Anyways, this is a really, really pretty palette, but it's not something I feel like I would gravitate towards just because I have a lot of neutral shades that are like this in my palette. Well, not more or less like these ones, but obviously I have a lot of neutral shades in my collection. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this into the giveaway for you guys. And I'm obviously gonna make sure I keep the bubble wrap so that it is nice and safe when I send that off. But again, that is $29.99. Then the next thing in here, I'm not really happy about this, but it is what it is. I'll probably end up using these anyways. So these are the Ayam Beauty Care Caviar Extract Dead Sea Mineral Makeup Wipes. They're meant to obviously clear off makeup, dirt, and makeup impurities, oil. They have sea minerals in them that helps apparently minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also rejuvenates in one step, and with one wipe can wipe away your makeup. It also helps with anti-aging because of the ingredients that are in them that helps with fine lines and wrinkles. So you can never go wrong with makeup wipes. So I guess I will gladly go ahead and keep those. So it is what it is, but those are $12. The next item here is by Kate Somerville. This is worth what? $70. This is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate, obviously, Glow Moisturizer, which revives dull and dry, lackluster looking skin with Kate Exfoliate, or the Kate Exfoliate, that's just so weird to say, Glow Moisturizer, which is the powerhouse ingredients, removes dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to revive younger looking skin. That's a lot to claim in this little thing. So this is what it looks like. Let's just go ahead and open it up because I'm keeping this. I mean, it doesn't smell bad. Actually, you know what? The more I smell it, it reminds me of one of my favorite cereals. You know what? What it kind of reminds me of is how when you eat Lucky Charms, and the marshmallow taste, or the marshmallow smell of like the milk at the very end, or like kind of like a Fruit Loop type of smell, is what this reminds me of. So I just almost dropped that. So I'm definitely going ahead and keeping that. We'll get rid of the packaging and throw that away. Okay, two last things in this box, and then we're almost done. But again, that's $70. $70. I mean, I guess Kate Somerville is expensive, but you can find Kate Somerville at like TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So someone help me out why that's $70 when you can find some of her stuff there for like $15, $20. Just saying. Just saying. All right, so the last two things in here. This one is the AMNH Skincare Starry Collagen Gel Eye Pads, Anti-Aging, Anti-Wrinkling, Reducing Dark Circles. There's 5 pairs in this box. So this is what it looks like. It's all wrapped up for us. I'm not going to go ahead and open this because I'm going to go ahead and put this into the giveaway. So this is worth $32. Again, they're just regular collagen eye pads. I really rarely ever use these, so just like it's not really my thing. I actually have eye creams I'd rather use instead at night where they can really just sit on my skin and soak in. So this is going into the giveaway along with the eyeshadow palette. The last item that I'm going to go ahead and keep, obviously I'm keeping 3 out of the 5 items in this box. This one is the item that I actually got to pick, which is I'm so excited. This is the Iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder. And then this is in the shade medium. So they had light, medium, and like, I think dark for the different shades that you could pick out of. Obviously medium I wanted to go with because just in case I stay tan, this will obviously work, but I can obviously keep this for a longer period of time. So this is what the packaging looks like. Standard gold or bronze packaging like Iconic London is. And then this is what the shade looks like. This kind of reminds me of the Morphe bronzers because they were just as big, and now I've never owned any of the Morphe bronzers, but it kind of reminds me of that. And then this is worth, let's see where that's at, $35. So let's add this up real quick so we can see what we actually got in this whole entire box and see if it's actually worth it. So come on, calculator, pull up. Okay, so starting off, we've got $70 for the Kate Somerville, $35 for the Iconic London, $30 for the Dido Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, $32 for the eye patches, and then you've got $12 for the makeup wipes, which giving us a total of $179. So this box is supposed to actually be equivalent to about $175. No, I lied. It's $125 is how you're supposed to get out of this box. So obviously we got $179. The Kate Somerville one is what kind of put it a little bit over the edge, but at the same time, I really don't think that's worth $70. And then these makeup wipes, I feel like they just kind of messed up in my box and just kind of like gave me something random because I've only ever gotten makeup wipes like once. And I don't think it's ever in this box. I actually thought it was in Ipsy previously before. So I don't know what to think of this box. I'm kind of like wishy-washy. The only thing I really wanted was this, and this pretty much just paid for the whole entire box. So it is what it is, but I'm excited to at least try out that bronzer. I'm actually going to go ahead and add that bronzer to my everyday collection in my vanity drawer. If you guys haven't seen, I recently posted my Shop My Stash video, my whole entire declutter series. So I decluttered my whole entire makeup collection. There's like 8 parts to it, and then finally after decluttering my whole entire collection, I actually was able to shop my stash behind me and then put some new products and kind of revamp this vanity drawer and reorganize it. So don't forget to go ahead and check out those videos. I'll have them linked down below for you. But now it's time to get into the giveaway portion of this video. So let's go over everything that will be in this giveaway. Alright, so let's go over everything that is going to be into this month's giveaway for August for my subscription unboxing. Again, all the rules will be listed down below for you, especially if you are US. This is what this giveaway is for. But if you're international, don't forget to go ahead and check out that international giveaway, which is my 500 subscriber video, which will either be before this video or after it, so you're not going to want to miss it. So again, subscribe to my YouTube channel because that is one of the first steps that you have to do in order to be entered into this giveaway. So I've got a lot of stuff in my hands right here for us. Obviously, the 2 products you guys just saw in this video, which was the eyeshadow palette and is also the eye patches. So those are the first 2 items that are going to be in this giveaway. Then the next item is going to be the L plus W Bio Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Moisturizer. So there is this going into the giveaway. The next one is the LaRousse facial disc. So these are reusable like pads to take off your makeup with, or just to wash your face with. Basically, you can kind of just use them with anything. You can remove makeup, you can use them for toner or serum, or you can also just go ahead and wash your face with them. Now it does say they want the white one to remove makeup, the gray to use for toner and serums, and the black one to wash your face, which is really weird. You think they would want you to remove your makeup with the black one, but I guess the white one you kind of want to see what you're removing. I don't know. That's just what it says on the back, but these are going to go ahead into the giveaway. Then I also have this Herbivore Emerald Hemp Seed Aptogen Deep Moisturizer Glow Oil. So this is meant for your face right here for you. Everything, how to use it, is right on the back. The packaging is just stunning. Can I give it an A+ for packaging? And then the oil itself is just a standard oil. It is a dropper bottle. This is what it looks like. Super pretty. It doesn't really have a scent to it because I kind of smelt it. I tried to give it like a sniff in that video to see if it like smelled like anything. It really doesn't. So that's good. So if you don't really like scents in like your facial oils or anything like that, you won't have to worry about this one. This one really doesn't have a scent. And then the last but not least item is going to be the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. So all 6 of these products are going into this giveaway. So which is basically comparable to having your own Boxy Premium because you get 6 full-size products in it. So I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching my video. You know what to do, because obviously the last things I'm about to tell you in this video are what you need to do in order to put yourself in this giveaway. But again, it will all be listed down into that description bar because I appreciate you guys so much. So you know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget this video a big thumbs up because you know it helps me out so much. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to, especially if you want to be entering this giveaway. Just saying, but I'm saying. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!